So I'm Philippa Saunders. I'm Professor of Reproductive Steroids at the University of Edinburgh in the UK. And I'm really interested in the role of the microbiota in endometriosis. And the reason I'm interested in that is because many of our patients with endometriosis have digestive symptoms, and they tell us that they want to improve their symptoms by changing their diet. And what we need is more evidence as to what they should do to improve their diet and what kind of outcomes we're looking for. So today has been particularly useful for us because we've had an opportunity as reproductive biologists to talk about the microbiota with experts who work on gut symptoms. And what we're learning is that many of the symptoms we see in the patients with endometriosis are similar indeed to those who have maybe irritable bowel syndrome. So by bringing everybody together with different ideas and different perspectives, we're going to be able to work much better towards a unified idea about what the microbiota might do in endometriosis. And my big hope from today is we will come up with some collaborative projects. We will learn more about how we can store samples, share samples, and generate new ideas and new ways of treating patients with endometriosis. And this is a chronic neuroinflammatory pain condition that affects 10% of women.